Welcome to Reading as Resistance. Our mission is to support the efforts of grown-ups to start or expand anti-racist, anti-bias home or classroom libraries and reading experiences for youth and children, and for those libraries to see deeper conversations and opportunities for action around racial equity in our community. Some of our young people are lucky enough to have teachers and mentors who use an anti-racist framework, and some of them are not. Unfortunately, this framework is still rare. Because of this, we encourage you to commit to anti-bias and anti-racist reading, conversation, and action with the young people in your life now. As a teacher of mine always says, if not you, who? And if not now, when? Today we are showcasing our middle reader book content. We create new monthly anti-bias, anti-racist lesson plans framed using the Teaching Tolerance Social Justice Standards. Each lesson plan follows the same basic format. With each lesson plan, you'll have the opportunity either to click to request a full-length lesson plan or click to immediately download an abridged version. Simply click here or here. Let's take a deeper look at the full-length lesson plan. Each lesson plan has an introduction page for the grown-up facilitator. This one even comes with a link to our work on the author's own website. We show the teaching tolerance standards that the lesson plan aligns to, and section by section deep dives into each quarter of the book. Let's take a closer look. For example, in section 2 of the lesson plan, we see a summary and a list of discussion questions, each mapped to a specific domain of the Teaching Tolerance Social Justice Standards. Discussion questions and reflections give the reader prompts to explore what's on the page and what's in themselves when it comes to the 4 domains. At the end of each plan, you will see curated resources that serve as jumping off points for additional creativity, social justice thinking, writing, and more. As you can see, these plans could be used in a variety of ways. As a worksheet, as a step-by-step guide to teaching the social justice aspects of the book, as a place to prepare for a deeper discussion on social justice in a more organic way, and as inspiration for other kinds of activities and actions. We hope you'll check out our lesson plans. Remember that our collection grows with more picture books, early chapter books, middle readers, and YA books each month, and don't hesitate to reach out to let us know what book you're hoping to see on our list next.